Comtacti presents an innovative IRAP coding process. Traditional IRAP coding software presents 3 images every 20 meters of the road so that coders can analyze all 78 attributes. Coders must also decide which item is the most relevant in the 100 meters analyzed, taking into account severities and distances, which is a very difficult task. Because of these difficulties, in 2018 we developed the OmniSet software, a new methodology in which the main difference from traditional coding is that the coders go through the entire video in 360 degrees and encode up to 3 items rather than all 78, resulting in higher quality and precision coding. Coding is done continuously along the entire length of the road, not just those that occur every 100 meters. This way, technicians don't have to worry about which element is the most relevant in the 100 meters, as the analysis is done by the AI Omni 7, because the intelligence is in the software. The Omni 7 system is made up of 7 subsystems: the field training subsystem, the route creation and online route tracking subsystem, the processing, coding training, installation and testing subsystem, the intelligent coding subsystem and the coding validation subsystem. Now, we present AI Omni 7, which speeds up the coding process and is an intelligent form of digital mapping. AI Omni 7 not only reduces the time and cost required for security assessments, but also opens up a range of potential changes in the way we code and visualize registered attributes in greater detail. Omni 7 works on a network and coders are identified by login and password. In this way, it is possible to track and audit the performance of each coder. When you log in, on the left-hand side, select the highway you want to code, and on the right-hand side, the items to be coded. To present the program's features, let's enter a previously registered section by clicking on Start. At the bottom of the video, we'll see the main functions: the video control arrows, the photo arrows, the zoom arrows, the ruler, changing the image to a Google image and the settings, among others. In the settings section, you can change the video's brightness and contrast settings, among other functions. You can rotate 360 degrees and zoom in. To measure the width of the track, you can use the ruler. You can use the Google tool to analyze the type of area. In addition, some items such as curves and ramps are coded automatically. There is a function that stops every 100 meters to code the existing severity items. In a second phase of the process, AI Omni 7 analyzes and exports only the most relevant item in each 100-meter sector that has been coded. The video also makes it very easy to code the items. See an example of point item coding. Property access point. The encoder advances in the video when it finds the access point, positions itself, checks latitude and longitude, takes a photo, selects the type of access and registers it. Another example of how easy it is to encode items is to encode a continuous track type item. The encoder advances through the video. When it finds a variation of the track type, it changes the menu status. Another example of how easy it is to encode items is to encode a continuous lane type item. The encoder advances through the video. The Omni 7 AI software makes it very easy to encode intersections, because it allows simultaneous viewing of both 360 degrees Celsius video and satellite images. The Omni 7 AI has an online supervision function, which allows the supervisor to scroll through the video at any speed, view any item that has already been encoded and check if there are any errors, and thus be able to modify it. In this way, encoders can be checked, trained and corrected in real time, avoiding wasted time and the spread of encoding errors. New AI Omni 7. Accelerated and intelligent encoding.